Are you tired of the hassle of fighting against tangled hoses? Fed up with having to wrestle the hose every time you need to put it away? Storing your hose after each use shouldn't be a new puzzle to solve. Stop fighting your hose. With the Hoselink hose reel, your watering tasks will never be the same again. This high-quality hose extends up to 82 feet with ease, giving you the freedom to water every corner of your garden, patio, or lawn. And when you're done, simply give it a gentle tug, and the automatic rewind feature kicks in, neatly coiling the hose back into the reel. No more fighting, and no more frustrations. With Hoselink, watering has never been easier. So like many homeowners, Gavin has a problem with his hose. And today we're going to fix that, and we're going to talk to you about how to properly install and show you how easy it is to install a Hoselink hose reel. We're going to solve this problem once and for all for Gavin and take away all the pain points that come with a standard garden hose. Here we go. Now obviously step one is to get rid of your existing hose. Easy. Now the installation is really easy. You use the handles that are built into the actual reel itself to pull it out of the box. I like to kind of pinch the box with my feet to pull it out. From there you'll find the mount, and the hardware is actually slid inside the back of the mount. So that's where the hardware is. To mount it to wherever you're going to mount it. And now the important thing to note is that when you're mounting this, there are anchors if you're mounting it into masonry like concrete. If you're not mounting into concrete, you don't need to use the anchors, but you do need to use the washers. So if you're mounting into masonry, you're going to pre-drill 2 inches deep with a 3/8 inch bit. If you're mounting into lumber, you're gonna do a 3/16 inch bit, pre-drill 2 inches deep, and from there you can begin to mount the mount. So once I went ahead and got the first bolt tightened in here, the next step is to make sure that the mount surface is level, and not to brag or anything, but I eyeballed it perfect. Once you got it level, you can go ahead and get the top mount or the top bolt secured. Make sure you've got your bottom mounts drilled out beforehand, because the drill bit will not go in straight. So you're going to want to make sure that the bottom holes are pre-drilled first. Then you can get everything nice and secured. From there, it's as easy as lifting the hose up onto the mount and putting it in. There is a spot underneath here if you want to lock it. I don't typically do that, but you have the option. And then it's just making your connections. Hoselink supplies a quick connect for the hose bib so that you can quickly connect and disconnect from there, and then they use the same style quick connect fittings on the actual hose connection itself. And this connection here actually has a ball valve joint so that you can turn the water on and off. Hoselink makes other accessories that you can connect to the hose with the same quick connect, so you can turn off the flow of water, you can connect to your other accessory, turn the water back on. Easy as that. So it's really as simple as that. It's just making sure that your mount is level and secure, and from there you're off and running. And Gavin's already tugging on his hose. So he's excited, he's pumped, and dealing with hose is much easier now than it ever was, right?
Oh yeah, I mean, even I can have a kid in one hand, now I can pull, just take it for a walk.
Can walk with his hose in his hand, with a kid in his other hand, and he can put it away just the same. So there you go, that's how you install a Hoselink hose reel. If you're interested in one of these, I do have a discount code I will put in the description down below. You can check that out, save some money, and save a ton of time and hassle putting your hose away the easy way. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more content on Hoselink hose reels, check out this video right here. I'll see you next time.